Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Scotiabank Review My Canadian Banking and Scene Plus Experience. Scotiabank Review My Canadian Banking and Scene Plus Experience encompasses my experience with Scotiabank as a Canadian banking institution and their Scene Plus rewards program. It's targeted towards Canadians looking for a comprehensive banking solution with an attractive rewards system. Key features include everyday banking services like checking and savings accounts, credit cards, mortgages, and of course, the ability to earn and redeem Scene Plus points. Their website provides details on all their offerings. Scotiabank emphasizes the convenience and integration of their services, highlighting the ability to manage everything from finances to rewards within a single ecosystem. They offer various account options with different fee structures, promoting transparency and allowing customers to choose what best suits their needs. Compared to some other major Canadian banks, Scotiabank's Scene Plus program offers a wider range of redemption options, including movies, dining, travel, and merchandise. You can easily check their website for branch locations and online banking access. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Scotiabank. Getting started was pretty straightforward. I opened a checking account and a Scene Plus Visa online, which was surprisingly quick and easy. The online banking platform is quite user-friendly. Navigating between accounts, paying bills, and transferring funds is intuitive. I especially appreciate the mobile app. It's well-designed and lets me manage my finances on the go. I've used it for everything from depositing checks using my phone's camera to setting up e-transfers. Performance-wise, the app and online banking platform are generally reliable and fast. I've rarely experienced any downtime or glitches. I did have a question about redeeming my Scene Plus points for a movie ticket, and their customer support responded within a day via email, which was helpful. I was really impressed by how easy it was to track my Scene Plus points accumulation and browse the various redemption options. The standout feature for me was definitely the integration between the banking app and the Scene Plus program. One minor drawback was that sometimes the search function within the app can be a little finicky when looking for specific transactions. It took me a little while to get used to the advanced settings for things like setting up recurring bill payments, but once I figured it out, it's been a breeze. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Scotiabank as my primary bank. The convenience of the app, the Scene Plus rewards, and generally smooth online experience have made it a positive experience. That's my overview of Scotiabank Review My Canadian Banking and Scene Plus Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.